Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Verify your current Sira license expiry, valid ID, and proof of address so you avoid delays. Once confirmed, collect company authorization or employment letter and 2 passport-style photos. These are required for identity matching. Next, prepare the payment method, card details or payment reference, and any original qualification certificates. These support competency checks. Start the online form now and enter exact names and numbers. Small typos create rejection, so double-check. You proceed to the core application. Input personal data, license class, and employer details. Accuracy speeds processing. Then upload scan qualifications, photos, and proof of address in the required formats, PDF or JPG, and ensure file sizes meet limits. Complete any background or health declarations honestly, because mismatches cause delays or audits. Once done, save your progress and note the application ID. This is your tracking key. Make sure to submit, then allow automated confirmation emails and keep screenshots for records. You finish by submitting the completed application and paying the fee. Immediately download the receipt and confirmation email for proof. Once submitted, expect standard processing times and proactively schedule any required refresher training so you meet compliance windows. If the application is approved, print the renewed license or save a certified digital copy. If rejected, review the rejection reason, correct the specific document or field, then re-upload. Act quickly to meet resubmission deadlines and prevent operational downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.